So, hey, now we are going about the calendar value test. And this is the same principle as the wallet value test. So, what you do here is um, to evaluate what has been happening on your calendar, like your wallet. But like you do this for the entire week. And like this, you can see um, where you tend to go instead of uh, where you want to go. So you do this on the Friday night, for instance. The first thing you do is you open your calendar to last week, or to the week that just unfolded. Then, or you can do this as well day by day, right? Because a week sometimes it's a bit like mazy in between the calendar what actually happened. So you can do this day by day as well, to adjust from one day to the other. Then you find where you spend most time, and at the end you take a look. You're like, okay, is this aligned with my values? Is this aligned with what I am actually uh, claiming? What I am actually claiming, withholding? Like for instance, me, if I take a look at my days, it's uh, bringing clarity all the freaking time, transparency, clarity. Like this is something that you see throughout my days. It's like right now I'm putting clarity and transparency in place in my days. Like when I write articles, like it's all about clarity. It's all about knowledge as well. So it's like I'm full on knowledge all freaking day long. Um, Searching for information, clarifying the thing, explaining the thing, and so on. So I know that I have alignment in this. Then love or care, it's a bit like I try to be as caring as I can be. I'm a bit in the tough love motion, on the tough love motion right now, and because I am creating this content right now, I know that I'm much more on the loving side. So this shows you how I find alignment in my days. And this is the same. And this is the same that you can do for you every Friday night or at the end of your working week, so that then you can, for your days off, readjust the motion between the work and the personal life, right? And realign with your values to be able to be in alignment. So here we go. Much love to you.